Josh here with Hunter and Cameron. And tonight we're going to be looking at an abandoned house we found in the woods. And hopefully we're going to get some good footage. We bought some masks just in case it's moldy and stuff in there. But hopefully you guys enjoy. I got my GoPro with me. So I'm going to be getting 2 different views. But yeah, let's do it. Also, we have a little bit of a hike ahead of us, so it'll take us about 10 minutes to get there. Alright guys, so we went all the way over there. We were walking inside of the driveway and dogs started barking across the street. And we just basically had to get out of there because we didn't want people like calling the cops on us and stuff. But now we're going to try to find a new place. Yeah. So even though we weren't able to get into the house last night, I still wanted to add a little bit of footage from 2 weeks ago so you guys could get a good look of what the house looks like, and hopefully we can get in there next time.
Dude, this house is completely sketchy. I might go to the front door, dude.
Turn your lights off real quick.
Ooh! Dude, you just heard somebody screaming in there.
Well, what if they straight up pulled in here and they're like,
come on, let's get out of here.
What the fuck are you doing in my house?
So, we're gonna dip. We're gonna try to find somewhere new. And bear with us. So, hopefully find something good for you guys. Fuck you, bitch.
Now we're trying to go to an old bridge. It's not abandoned or anything like that, but it's supposed to be haunted. There's not much stuff around in South Carolina, so we're gonna try that next.
Hey, boy, I'm gonna wear this beanie.
Alright guys, so we're here at the bridge. I have to walk down here because I had to park away from the bridge, and they left me, of course. Terrific friends.
Got it. Yeah, it's alright. We haven't seen nothing yet though, so yeah.
Thanks for checking on us.
Thanks for checking on us.
Well, I mean,
asshole.
A nice guy stopped by and checked on us, and now we're gonna be trying to go underneath the bridge. Hopefully everything works out. I'm gonna try not to breathe so hard. I apologize in advance.
Man, y'all sure about this? Y'all sure about this? You down with me? Oh god. How are we gonna get it? Travel back up. What is it? Oh god, dude. Spider web right there. Look at that, dude. No, that's good. Go. Oh god. Dude, these rocks. Skipping me out. What the fuck is that? Did you hear that? Did y'all hear that? Bullshitting. What's a bark? Dude, what is that? That's good. Dude, let me bring it.
Nothing really under here.
Not really any, a lot of places around here.
Oh, there's a bat. Or it's a bird. Something.
There's a bat.
It's about to attack Cammy Cam.
That ain't a bat. That's like a little...
Oh, God.
What the heck is this? Look, dude, this is eerie. What the heck is this? Yo, so literally, this bird right here is flying around for no reason.
Like, this is weird. Like, you would think this bird would just fly right out.
He's probably just scared as hell that we keep pointing our lights at it.
No. If he really wanted to leave, he would fly out of here. Maybe it's... Don't make me think I'm crazy, but what if it's a message? A message. Like, get out of here. What if it was 7 devils?
Right.
They couldn't leave.
We were looking at this too. Let's go. On this side. On this side. On this side. It's now 11:57. It's now 11:57. It's now 11:57. We're walking back down to the bridge.
Okay, did y'all see this?
No, it isn't.
I put it on like in the green light. I swear to God.
Did you have your Did you have it rolling? Is it like just a blink?
It was 3 blink. I think 3, 4 blink.
Huh? Oh, take it from back here. Take it from back here. Take it from back here.
I'll do it. Dude. I swear to God, it's there's something. I'll put that shit on my mind now. Listen. What was the reason why?
Say something. Say something. Say something.